Hey, hello and welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you how to connect the Wireless Lavalier mic, which is wireless, to your Android phone. Now all these things here are what the Mi comes with. Okay, so you can connect it to your iPhone, but we're not going to use it for that. We're going to use Android here. And here is the receiver, okay, and this is the mic. Now how do you connect it? Well, this is the part that you might find useful, and as I found useful because I was trying to get wireless connected to my phone. You're gonna need this adapter here. Okay, this is either this is a USB 3.0 to USB-C or to USB Mini, and the Mini is the one that's going to connect to the phone. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to get the Open Camera app. It's free, and the reason I use the Open Camera app, which is right here, Open Camera app, it has a meter and it tells you when your mic is working. You'll be able to see the meter correctly, so you want to get that first. It's free. Let's connect the adapter. Okay, so there it goes. That's the first part. All right, now we want to connect the receiver. So how do you do that? Well, the one Mi provides the USB 3.0 or just regular USB. Then you're going to connect that part to your adapter. Okay, so let's connect that. Now once you have that, you'll be able to connect via USB-C the receiver part. So this is the receiver. Okay, let's connect the receiver. Okay, once the receiver is connected, it's gonna be blinking blue. That means it's ready to receive a signal from your wireless microphone. Okay, so let's look at the One Mi wireless microphone, and then we're gonna turn it on. You're gonna notice that there's a light that comes on. I'll hold it for a few seconds. There's the light. Okay, now this is stop blinking. It's a solid blue. That's a solid blue. That means it's working. It's ready to go. And the way we're gonna test this out is we're gonna open up the Open Camera app. Now we're gonna do a little recording, and you can see the meter checking 1 2. See how low the meter is because I don't have the mic up to my voice, and as I raise it, check, or if I tap it, you see that I'm tapping it, that means it's working wirelessly. You don't need to do anything else. And let me hold up, checking audio check 1 2 3, audio check 1 2 3. Oh, another important thing about the app is that you want to make sure that you enable the microphone, external microphone. So how do you do that? You want to go into settings, okay, and under settings you're going to scroll up to your video settings. Okay, so let's go to video settings, and under video settings we're going to go to this audio source. Okay, tap on the audio source, and you're going to notice you got to click on, or you're going to tap on external mic if present. So that means it's automatically, I already have it so that it's lit up, ready, that's picking up the mic. So we want to make sure that you turn that on in order to use the microphone. Okay, so let's get out of there because I already have it turned on, and we're just gonna exit out back to the recording screen. Okay, so that's how you set up your Mi microphone to use with your Android phone. Okay, hope you found this useful. Links to all this is in the bottom of the description. Let me know if you need any more help. All right, bye.